What is up, Blessed family? How are you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome back to this lovely Sunday, man. I guess let's break down the markets, man. Of course, because what else are we here for? Maybe a little worship. You feel me? Maybe a little obedience so I could continue doing what God is telling me to do always. Uh, we'll go back to AU in a sec. As of right now, man, as we look at EA, looks like we might continue our drop. We won't get the nice push up that I thought we might end up getting. Actually, did I? I don't even think I didn't analyze this pair. We only did AU, but um, it would have been nice for a re-entry to see, which we did, I guess, come up some. So let me go down to the 4 hour real quick. So we've actually moved a lot since the opening of this candle, right? Since the opening of the market this week. We went all the way back up here to 421, and now we're hovering around 382. So that's like a 40 pip drop. So we did end up actually going and testing back up here. Sorry, excuse me, guys. I would have thought maybe would have came up here a little bit, but I guess not. Or we might end up, who knows? We might bounce off this level again, and then go up, and then basically kind of shoot down for the rest of the week. But there's no telling but to just wait, right? I guess that's pretty much it for EU. We're just gonna see if we actually get a continuation of this push down, or are we gonna hold a level, retrace back up, so we might be able to get in for some more sales. Okay. There's really no need to break it down to the 1 hour. We could go down there though and see what's going on. We can see we've been making, if this closes above this low right here, it'd be another higher low. All right, or we might end up coming equal to it, right? We might end up coming down here, hitting these lows. But either way, if it stops short or comes down to hit it and doesn't really go any farther, I believe we should be seeing a nice bullish move to the upside before we actually see our sell off again. Okay. Now, eventually, we are going to start trending back up again, but I believe that will be a little farther on in the future. Okay. Push it back out to the week real quick. And what I mean by that is I believe we're still yet going to push down and capture these levels, these price levels down here, before we actually see our push back up for a retracement. And the bigger aspect of things, the macro. What's the macro? I don't know. The bigger aspects of things. I need to find out them terms. Anyway, that's it for EA. We'll go back to AU real quick. I mean, basically same thing, just opposite side, right? I'm bullish on AU instead of bearish, like I am with EA. The opposites, okay? So, to be honest, I marked up this green level right here. We're on the weekly, so I'm going to break it down in a minute. But I marked up this green level right here. It just seemed like a nice level for me for us to drop into this candle. for a retracement, because I actually want to try to re-enter. Being in fact, I got out my trades um, last week, or I think I was knocked out. I can't remember if I got out or I was knocked out. I know I did get out a few in profit, but I believe I was knocked out of some of them because I just got into early, and this candle right here ended up knocking me out. But oh, and then I actually tried to overplay my hand on Friday and got in for a buy because I actually wanted to see us stay above this level. Got in for a buy too soon and we pushed a little bit. So I actually got to break that down, and I'll explain that a little bit more. But I would love to see us drop down into here for a push back up. Okay. Let's actually go down to the hour. So this is the drop that I'm talking about. I seen this drop and was kind of hesitant, kind of knowledgeable of it, because I mean, of course I seen it. I don't know what term I want to use, but I knew this was here. I knew we had the potential to come down here, but I seen this like right here, and I was just like, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get in there. But of course, I should have known. We came down, retested this level, these lows once again, and then pushed back up. Now, like I said, I'm very curious because, of course, we still actually got some money down here, right? So I'm very curious to see if we're going to come back down and actually capture this money before we end up getting that major push up and not just majorly pushing up from here. Okay. Most of the time, we always the market loves to capture money before it makes a major move. Okay. Which is kind of the reason why I got kicked out. All right, we went down here and caught this money, but being the fact that I believe we ended up on the same level. Plus, this price actually closed past this price, so I believe this is kind of a lower low. All right, than that one. So I believe we do have some room still yet to move down before we see that major push up. But overall, that major push is what I'm looking for. Now, these two pairs, AU and EA, are the only two pairs that I will be trading, but I will be looking at other pairs as well. I messed myself up last week by looking at trying to trade too many pairs. I can look at them. If I see a perfect setup, I might get in, but other than that, it's just for educational purposes, man, and especially just for me to keep up with the market. Was I in? I was in GA. All right. I want to get in GA. I seen price over here. I want to see price kind of creep back up. I want to see it creep up here. But we ended up kind of stopping short. It sold off, but we ended up coming all the way back up and creeping back up here to where I thought we actually might creep. Now, to be honest, I believe we might actually end up going a little bit farther. All right, we might end up going a little bit farther for a push, but maybe not. Maybe we're going to hold. Okay, if you don't see this right here, I do. All right, now I'm not going to take this back out to the weekly. I just want to show y'all this little bit right here. But you see that though, right? My level right here. All right, I'm gonna blow it up for y'all. My level right here. All right, I'm gonna put it actually at the close. Level at close. Right? Look at the market. We came up and we keep rejecting that level, so we might actually get our sell-off now. Okay, being the fact that this whole thing might be creating a lower high versus this high. Okay, and I want us to sell off. Overall, I want us to sell off. Lord, it looks like we need to be going up though, don't we? But I'm gonna stay on my initial view. I really do want us to sell off. Because if you think about it, if we're bullish in AU, we should be bearish in EA, and we should be bearish in GA because AU is going up. AU is making profits, right? So we should be selling off on both of them, technically. But sometimes it just don't work like that. But we'll see what's gonna go on. All right. I really want to get in here. I just might get in here. I just might get in here minimally though, and not place such huge trades. But we gonna see what's gonna happen this week. But AU and EU is what we're looking for. I'm reaching for these highs on AU, and I'm reaching for this low, actually, and this low with EU. Okay, I guess I can put another. Whoops. Boom. All right, y'all. That's it, man. That's it, man. These levels I got marked up just in case. Because, I mean, majorly I want to see it come down. I don't really care nothing about this level. Majorly I want to see it come down. Hit this or this. It's going to either come, hit this, boom, up, or blow through that, hit that, and definitely push up. Okay? No, I'm playing. Oh, no, I'm right. Yeah, push up. I mean, even though I want to see EA drop, I do want to see. I am bearish on this. I do want this to push down, but at some point we're going to have a nice retracement. Okay, and that's what I'm waiting on, because I know it's pushing down. So I'm waiting on that retracement so I can get out of my sales and get in for them buys, so I can make money on both ends. That's always the key. All right, y'all. Anyway, that's it for tonight, y'all. Y'all have a wonderful, lovely rest of y'all Sunday and a wonderful start to y'all week. All right, y'all. Peace.